Hey, what's up, my people? Jimmy Sequence. I am here to tell you guys about my new series that I have coming up. The name of the series will be Reasoning with Jimmy Sequence. I will be reasoning with DJs and selectors and sound system owners, MCs, engineers, anyone in the business that warrants a good conversation. All of the movers and shakers and people that are actually doing stuff. I am going to be traveling to different places, different countries, and talking to interesting sound system people about their journey. I am going to keep it as succinct as possible. In other words, I'm not going to try to dig too deep into their personal lives and what they're doing outside of the music industry. So it'll be a conversation confined to their involvement in the business, how they got into the business, what they're doing in the business now, and so on and so forth. What I will not be doing, I will not be doing a basic interview format. You know what I'm saying? Where I have a bunch of questions and I have to ask and wait for them to answer. What I'm going to do, I'll lead the conversation and have them speak about themselves, where they've been, where they're going, and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Let them talk about what they think makes them interesting. Um, People want to know. I want to know. See? So I feel like if I want to know, other people want to know, and that I'm going to keep it as 100 as possible. We're going to talk to people that are doing stuff, not everybody in the business, but people that are actually making moves that people know and recognize and would like to know more about. All right. So look out for the new series. Again, Reasoning with Jimmy Sequence. And again, it will be just me reasoning with different people, sound system owners and so and such the like. And we're starting. I'm out of town right now. I'm in Philadelphia. There's a six sound thing going on in Philly. So I'm here to record and get content for that. So what I will do, I will try to start the series speaking to people up here, reasoning with people that are going to be at this event. Seeing? So again, look out for the new series, Reasoning with Jimmy Sequence. Alright? Thanks for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Yeah.